In Magnolia, Texas, on the corner of Avenue H and 76th Street, you'll come across a church called Templo Bethel. This church was the first to be founded in 1923 by the organization called GLADIC, the Latin American Council of Christian Churches. The founder of GLADIC was Reverend Francisco Ozabal. He started his Pentecostal ministry with Assemblies of God. He was very well known amongst the Hispanic population as the Almighty Aztecs for his inspiring sermons which crowded thousands and for his divine healing. Though he helped the organization immensely, Ozabal faced issues with the administration of the Assemblies of God and wanted to open positions in Spanish worship for the Hispanic population. Though the Assemblies of God did preach to the native Spanish speakers, many Mexican ministers wanted to be recognized as an independent district in the Assemblies of God. However, time after time, they were denied due to the fact that many felt that the ministers were not qualified. Ozabala quickly rallied support to secede from the Assemblies of God in 1923. The church and their movements represented an organization that offered worship that was conducted in Spanish and offered incoming first generation immigrants to keep their heritage through their language while being assimilated with U.S. values. Their movement started with humble beginnings without funds, churches, schools, or well-prepared workers. However, the Cladic movement has been able to spread from Chicago, Illinois to California, all the way down to Honduras, with various churches and Bible colleges. Templo Bethel today still has many first-generation immigrants as members. Templo Bethel assists the surrounding Magnolia community like the De Zavala Elementary School, women's shelters, and hospitals. Templo Bethel and the Cladic organization still stands as a cultural movement for many Spanish-speaking people. The history of Cladic is one of the Latinos population to hold on to their heritage, history, language, and customs in a spiritual way. Though the movement to keep one's heritage is not exclusive to Cladic, Templo Bethel is proof of the ongoing Latino population to hold on to their way of life.